Okay, so this is all for sale. Everything in here. First of all, let's take a look at this. This whole rack. It's got the keys and everything for the top and the bottom. And we've got battery charger. I don't even know what this is. Just some screws and stuff. Drills. Got some different things. Saw, another drill. All the tools here. And I believe, see, I think these are Craftsman. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll just go through the drawers. Okay, that's Craftsman there. Looks like a timing light. Oh no, that's a heat gun. Bunch of good stuff in here. Looks like that's Craftsman there. I'm not sure what that is. Some sort of tester. And these are Craftsman, I believe. It's Craftsman. So that's a 1/2 inch socket set. Looks like another 1/2 inch. And these are that's standard. Most of these are standard, it looks like. Craftsman. Got some socket drivers, the ratchet. Yeah, there's the gun. And these impact, 1/2 inch impact. These are standard. Here's some good stuff. There's some more. These are all, looks like 1/2 inch. These are all standard. We got this. Not sure what that is. I think that's another tester for the pressure. Here we go, some good stuff. A 3/4 inch drive. These are standard. Let's see what's in there. Looks like a laser. You got some big, these are all, looks like standard. Looks like these are all Craftsman. Craftsman. 3/4 drive. There's some snap-on stuff. Polar. And what's in here? pipe bender. Then we got some other tools here. And files. More tools here. Looks like a Dremel. There you go. That's it. Okay. Pretty nice though. Probably get rid of the circular saw too.